हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप? बी हेल्दी, वर्क फ्रॉम होम and follow the social distancing. I pray to the God to offer you a good health, good wealth also. Nowadays the market and its working is so volatile. Every sector gives us a strong impact because of various news, global factors affecting, plus the Indian government decisions is also affecting to the market every day. So many big investors buy the stocks at very lowest price. Some companies are selling their stake in the particular company and exit from the business because of these corona things. And this COVID-19 situation is very very critical for the economy also. So here I want to talk you some of these facts today only via my video. My channel is only for updation of the knowledge of the stock market. So the current fact just I wanted to share you via this video. And one thing dosto, if you like my video, just share it to your friends, colleagues, and afterwards thumbs up your like button. Okay. So the main important thing through this market is a discipline motto and discipline way you go here sector wise. Suppose if you take this pharma sector, if you sector financial sector, if you put automobile sector, so these are sector coming days definitely booming. So दोस्तों, so ये जो सेक्टर है, ये सेक्टर में कि जो कंपनीज है वो कंपनी आप छोटा छोटा माल उठा के अपने बकेट में डिलीवरी करके भर दो. Okay, so once that bucket is full, okay, you see the return next 3 to 5 years is sold. And nowadays what happen, every day the news flow in the market is huge. Okay, everyone is concentrate on the government decisions, everyone is concentrate on the RBI, what the stimulate package and financial assistance is needed to get from the area to the company and from the government, and as well as various global scenario also. Okay, everywhere means I'm talking about the world, not only in India. The Indian situation is very in control because of our government is very cautious, and the government is taking the very major steps. Okay, so ये जो 3.0 का जो लॉकडाउन है वो जो बढ़ाया है, it's a very strong decision, you know, it's very strong decision of the government. So the economy is affecting, but how we survive, that is most important, because the industry more how what 30% to 40% industry is going on, 70% market is closed. Okay, and the 70% supply of that goods also closed, only the essential goods. And this now last week something उसका भी थोड़ा कुछ कुछ दुकान शॉप्स एंड अदर इंडस्ट्री को थोड़ा मोहलत दी है कि यू कैन स्टार्ट योर बिजनेस बट विथ कंडीशंस. सो ये जो चीज़ें हम देख रहे हैं, सो यहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटी छुपी हुई है. सो यू एंटर ऑन द मार्केट. ओके, you enter in the market. I'm again repeating you why, because it's a place to generate your wealth very strongly. Because of why, there are so many investment types of investment, we know that, you also know that. And means like FD है, RD है, म्यूचुअल फंड्स हैं, ट्रेडिंग के थ्रू आप स्टॉक ले सकते हैं या इन अदर प्रॉपर्टी में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. बट ऑल दीज का आप कॉम्बिनेशन देखते हैं तो शेयर मार्केट का जो अभी का इन्वेस्टमेंट का जो ग्रोथ है वो कभी भी अप रहा है, ये मैं आपको कहने की कोशिश करूँगा वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग वे. because the property is also what increasing, but emergency situation you are not getting that funds. FD is not appreciate that much amount of returns. Nowadays what the interest rate is collapse. RD is also collapse. Step by step how you get that returns. If you are above 60 and you want a monthly returns from the banks, you must survive in a proper way, whatever as on today you are. So plan your investment through markets, plan your investment through one systematic way, without any risk. I'm talking, okay, don't take any risk, but through this model, select a strong company, select a strong growth, select a strong sector. You see the difference दोस्तों. यहाँ पे मैं आपको कुछ सिखाने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ओके. माई वीडियो is just only as a discussions, okay, as a sharing latest information. सो अभी ये जो चीज़ें मैं आपको डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ उसमें अपॉर्चुनिटी छुपी हुई है. Step by step, if you enter in this market, if you have some knowledge about in this, definitely I say learn and then earn, right? So our advisory's main motto is that is to create particular any individual's wealth very systematically and beat the inflation. जो महंगाई है आने वाले दिनों में जो बढ़ेगी, आने वाले दिनों में ये जो क्रंच जो है, ये जो कठिनाइयाँ हैं, ये जो बढ़ेगी, उसमें हमको विन होना है दोस्तों. So you have to plan. You are very cautious, and this is one place because during this corona things also the market is open. You know that it is open. Everyone is buying and selling. This is also a business. The NSE, BSE is our shop, like as a mall. मॉल के आप क्या करते हैं? वन टाइम छोटा छोटा चीज़ें बाय करते हैं, बास्केट में लेते हैं, काउंटर में जाके बिल लेके पेमेंट करते हैं. दैट छोटा छोटा चीज़ योर शेयर्स, यू सिलेक्ट फ्रॉम दैट बास्केट वेरियस शेयर्स, पेमेंट करके you book that your tickets for your future growth. But the expenses is what? गया आपका amount. So this is the main difference I wanted to share with you. This my channel is very good to approach you in step by step. But ये जो concern मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, that concern is so important also. So link my channel, subscribe my channel, and if anything you want in details, then just send me that mail. My mail ID is description box में मैंने डाला है, okay. To that mail ID you send me your email, your query, okay. So definitely I try to reply you very strong way and guide you on that from this market. So दोस्तों, be safe and be healthy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much दोस्तों.